If you're looking to automate client onboarding with forms and checklists, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to do it, saving you time and streamlining your entire process. Stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, and trust me, you'll want to grab it. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're using software that can handle both forms and checklists automatically. I've tested all the popular options, and today we're going with one I know works best for efficiency and simplicity. Start by setting up a form for your clients to fill out when they first sign up. This form will collect all the necessary information, basic details like name, contact info, and any project-specific data. It's important to make this form as detailed as needed but also user-friendly, so your clients can fill it out quickly without frustration. Once your form is set up, the next step is to automate the follow-up with a checklist. This checklist will guide your clients through the necessary steps in your onboarding process, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. The beauty of automation here is that when a client submits their form, they'll automatically get the checklist sent to them, guiding them through every single step of your process. Now, here's the magic. You can set up triggers within the software so that based on the client's responses, certain tasks on the checklist are automatically checked off or added. For example, if a client indicates they've completed a specific task on the form, it automatically marks that task as complete on their checklist. One of the keys to making this truly automated is to connect both your forms and your checklists to other tools you use. For instance, once your client submits their form, it can trigger an email or a calendar invite for the next step in the process. That way, everything flows smoothly without you needing to manually intervene. At this point, you might be wondering, what software should I use to make all this happen? Well, I've got you covered. The software we'll be using today allows for all this automation in one place, and I've got an exclusive free trial for you to use. You can grab it in the description below if you want to follow along and set everything up yourself. It's a game changer for automating client onboarding, and I know you'll love how much time it saves. To wrap up, the key takeaway from today's video is that automating your client onboarding process with forms and checklists is a total game changer. It not only saves you time, but also makes your entire process smoother for your clients. Set up your form, automate your checklist, and connect everything together with your software, and you'll see how much easier it gets. Before I go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below so you can follow along and automate your onboarding process today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.